What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what it do? Okay, so boom, y'all. Okay, so boom, we is live from Bali, Indonesia, bro. Bali. But before I give y'all the spill, okay, before I give y'all the rundown, the 1212, the time is 8:51. Breakfast in at 10 o'clock, and I don't really want to be rushing. I kind of want to like take my time and jet vibe. So I'm gonna catch y'all up. We gonna go to breakfast together, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna catch y'all up. But before we go, let me show y'all what we looking like this morning, okay? We is live from Ubud, Bali. All praises. Super quick fit check before we go downstairs, okay? We got the cover up. This is actually like a swimsuit cover up that I got from Target in this really pretty baby blue. And I got on my everyday crop top, just a white t-shirt crop. And I got jean shorts from Fashion Nova. And I got this little bag. I actually got this from Fashion House in Houston. If y'all know, y'all know. And I got on my Tory Burches. Like, yeah, y'all already know it. Y'all know what's going on, bruh. All right, babe, let's go grow. Back from breakfast. Overall I would give it like a 8.5 or a 9 out of 10. It was pretty good. The views were beautiful, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill you guys in. We are live from Bali, Indonesia, you guys. It is beautiful. I'm feeling extremely blessed, highly favored. I woke up like, bro, I can't believe it. Like, I can't believe I woke up here. I know y'all probably thinking like, why Bali? Because y'all know I've been talking about Thailand since like forever. And I was gonna do Thailand originally, but the reason I didn't choose Thailand is because they currently have their Chinese New Year festival going on right now, and it's basically like a big old water fight. It's a big water festival. It lasts for like a week long, and like you literally cannot walk outside without getting soaked. They got water guns, they got buckets of water. It's so many vloggers, and they all say like, if you're not trying to get soaked during that time, basically stay indoors. So I was like, you know, when I go to Thailand, I want it to be under normal conditions. So I decided that I'm gonna wait for Thailand. So I chose Bali, and it's still absolutely gorgeous here. I'm gonna be here for 2 weeks, you guys. 2 weeks. The first week I'm gonna be in Ubud, and then the second week I'm gonna be in Canggu. The reason that I chose Ubud is because I want to get a local feel of Bali. I really want to immerse myself in the culture, try some of their food, get out in the jungle, the rice terraces, the temples. That's what I came here for. So that's some stuff that I'm gonna be doing in Ubud, and then next week I'm gonna go to Canggu, which they have a few beaches, so that's why I wanted to go to that part, because Ubud is more so inward of Bali. So you're gonna get your jungles and your rice terraces. I'm gonna do a volcano hike, all of that stuff, and then Canggu is some beaches out there. I haven't planned anything that I'm gonna do to the T as of yet. That's what I'm gonna do today. Today was just kind of like my chill day, because y'all, I've been flying for 3 days now, and then April 9th was actually my birthday. So to say that I spent my 26th birthday on a flight to Dubai, bro, all praises. Let me tell you what I got planned for today, okay? Oh, okay, so boom, today is Thursday, April 11th. This is what we got planned, okay? Chill day. Did my devotional this morning. I went to breakfast, 10 out of 10. I got gym with the question mark because I know I need to go. But am I gonna go? No, I'm gonna go, I promise. And I need to bid for my schedule next month. Gotta get that out the way. Then I need to put some content together that I did on my flight. Plan out some activities that I'm gonna be doing for the next 2 weeks. Delete some photos and videos off my phone. Find some grub. And I actually think I wanna go to the pool today too, y'all. So we gonna fit that all in. It's green. Y'all, housekeeping just knocked on my door to clean my room, so I guess I don't have an excuse as to why I can't go to the gym. So let's get these clothes on.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 도도한 태도가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Meet me up near the riverside. We can push everything aside. Make stars align, let's just collide, yeah, yeah. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. Let me take you on.
Hi you guys, good morning. Today is Friday, April 12th. It is day 2 in Ubud, and we're actually changing locations today, y'all. We're changing locations. Right now I'm at the pt.1 Hotel and Spa. 100% would recommend, you guys, if you come out here. This is an extremely beautiful hotel. I chose to stay here for the first 2 nights because I knew that after 3 days of traveling, your girl was gonna be tired and like just wanted to relax and whatnot. Woo woo woo. And it definitely served its purpose. Very beautiful, very relaxing. Yesterday, y'all, after I went to the pool, I was so tired, so I knocked out after I took my shower. The next spot that we're going to is a hostel. I'm gonna be there for 4 nights. The name of the hostel is called Aria Wellness Retreat. It is a female only hostel, and it looked really nice from what I could see on the pictures. The reason that I chose a hostel was, number 1, they are cheap. I'm paying $40 a night, and that's a very high price compared to other hostels, and it's how I'm able to stay out here for so long. Like, I'm gonna be out here 2 weeks. And the second reason I chose a hostel is because I want to be sociable, you guys. It will be so easy for me to just stay at this hotel the entire time, like do all the tours by myself, don't talk to nobody. But I'm trying to like get out of my comfort zone. This will be an opportunity to like meet some different women from other countries. So that's the main reason behind me staying in hostels. And I actually watch a lot of digital nomads and backpackers on YouTube, and they all stay in hostels, y'all. Like, I can't tell you how many times I've woken up and just been like, bro, like, I'm finna pack everything up and just backpack around the world for 6 months. That's literally why I haven't moved out, because I be going back and forth. But yeah, so watching them definitely inspired me to start staying in hostels. I'm super excited, and even if I don't make any friends, it's still an environment that encourages you to go out and do stuff, because it's a dormitory, which means it's gonna be 3 other people in my room. I'm not finna just be like laying up all day. Heck no, I could have stayed home for that. So today is the day we really about to start getting active. I'm gonna check into the hostel about 12. It's 9:15 right now. I'll probably go eat upstairs at the buffet again for breakfast. It was really, really good. The views are beautiful. It's literally directly on top of me. I really need to go find an ATM so I can get some more rupees out. After that, we call in our Grab. Grab is equivalent to our Uber and Lyft back home. So yeah, super excited for today. We get it active. Y'all see, I did my edges a little bit today. I did my eyebrows. I did them kind of like dark just because my lashes are like, y'all, I haven't gotten them. First of all, I have not gotten my lashes this full and this long in a really long time, and I low-key was like kind of going for a more natural look, but it's okay. It's fine, we still cute. But yeah, edges done, brows is done, lashes done. We cute. We cute. Y'all, I am gonna miss this view though. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna take y'all outside one more time. Baby, it is hot, y'all. Like, I don't be out here for longer than 2 minutes and I'm sweating everywhere. It's gonna be a hot 2 weeks. And I forgot to tell y'all, I definitely have on the same fit as yesterday just because I don't want to run out of clothes and because it's super cute. But I know eventually I'm gonna have to find somewhere to do laundry. Good morning, y'all. Today is Saturday, April 13th, 8:20 in the morning. I kind of got a late start, y'all. Just want to say, so far the hostel has been an amazing experience. All of the girls are super nice. After lunch, I walked around for a little bit and I went in a couple stores. I went in the bookstore, I went in their pharmacy. It's really cool seeing all the products that they have in Balinese. I did a little shopping, y'all. I got me a dress. It's super cute. I'm gonna try it on. So once I finished walking around, I came back and I read my book by the pool. This is the book. I was in the bookstore for a long time, just kind of like reading up on the different books that they had, and I ended up choosing like this little mystery thriller, so it's pretty good so far. So yeah, I read by the pool till 7 p.m. Then I ended up talking to my bunkmate below me. Then there was 2 other girls from another room. We all ended up chatting it up, and we went to the sister property. They had a little buffet dinner going. They had a live band. Everybody was able to like jump in and sing. Like, it was real cool. It was a real good time. After that, the shuttle was going to drop them off at the bar. Some people, unless you wanted to go to the crib, y'all know me, like I don't even be partying no more. So I was like, nah, like I'm good and tired. So me and my other bunkmate, we brought it back to the crib. And then let me go ahead and lay out the next 3 days for you guys, so that I don't have to come on here every day and be like, okay, today we're doing this, today we're doing that. I'm gonna lay it all out for y'all. Okay, so boom, I check out on Tuesday, April 16th, which means I got 3 full days here until I go to Canggu. Hold on, y'all, it's literally right here. I can show y'all. This is everything that the day tour includes. I really wanted to do specifically the Tegalakapone waterfall, the coffee plantation, and the rice terrace. That's one of the 3 main things that I wanted to do. And we can book that directly with the hostel, so that's cool. I'm gonna do the monkey forest, y'all. I'm scared for the monkey forest, y'all. They said the monkeys, they can get crazy, but I'm gonna do the monkey forest. If I feel like it, I'm gonna pull up to this day club called Cretya. It's like viral on TikTok. I'm sure y'all seen it. Hi. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the Mount Batur hike, the volcano hike, and some of my bunkmates are doing that as well, so that should be fun. Yeah, that's everything that I have planned for the next 3 days. Gonna go down to breakfast right now, and I'll keep y'all updated.
And they were like really jacked. Everybody writing down this. Doing things that it's just easy shopping and walking around the city and looking at everything. Nice.
That one's so good. Bro, that poker is strong.
for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did well by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 Shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla.
Recently we fly to Australia just to see him.
Prime.
So you say you vlog? Non, ça va. Exactly. Bob. Everything is so bad. What the hell?
Hi, Baba. Oh, he don't even like bread. The view is beautiful. I don't know how much longer we have. But yeah. How long did it take us?
I don't know. Maybe like
A good 2 hours.
2 hours, I think.
2 hours.
Yeah.
But we made it. So.
Calling you, let me. Calling you, let me. You, let me. You, let me. Darling.
Hey y'all, I feel like we haven't talked in ages, but when I tell y'all I literally been ripping and running. Me and my roommate Kennedy, we had to get to bed because we hiked Mount Batur this morning. Bro, I done you know, some walking on some natural landmarks or whatever, but Mount Batur takes the cake, bro. Some people was saying that it was pretty intense. I was just over here like, man, bro, like, I'm finna eat this hike up. Y'all, that mug was eating me up. Y'all know I love going to the gym, but I'm more of a weightlifter. I love lifting weights. I don't be on the cardio like that. I've gotten a lot better, you guys, because I used to just train like strictly for physique, so that's why I would do nothing but weightlifting. But now, you know, I like that whole body high. Like, I want to make sure I'm healthy both inside and out, so I kind of have been like stepping up on the cardio, whatever. But when I tell y'all, bro, and it just like kept going and going and going, like, y'all, that tested my agility so much. Those views, bro, they were so worth it. Amazing, beautiful, never seen anything like it. 100 out of 10. It was a little like foggy up there, so we didn't see, you know, as much as we could see on a clearer morning. But for me, it did it for me. Those views were amazing. And then of course coming down, we had to come back down on those rocks. It was a little slippery. Prepare your knees, okay? Prepare your knees and prepare your ankles. You're gonna need those, okay? You're gonna need them in pristine condition. I had asked Kennedy, I was like, you're a pretty avid hiker. Like, she's done a lot of like real deal hikes. So I was like, what would you rate this? I was like, easy, intermediate, or hard? And she was like, I would probably rate it intermediate. And I'm like, yeah, this was a hard intermediate for me. I just felt like so accomplished after that hike. The thrill of it all was just a 10 out of 10. Y'all know I love a good thrill. We got back at about 10. We had breakfast here in the hostel, took a shower, napped it up. Now it is 4:09 p.m. Clearly about to go to the pool, read my book for a little bit, and then we're all gonna go to dinner tonight. So think I've done enough yapping. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to y'all on the next update. Before I go, I just want to give y'all a little rundown on what we're doing today. Time is 12:05. Woke up, did my devotion, had some breakfast. Now I'm about to go by the pharmacy to get me some shaving cream because I need to shave my legs. And I might grab some lunch, or I might just wait because my friend invited me to that place, Cretya, the pool club. So we're gonna pull up on that, see what it's talking about. But yeah, I definitely just need to go to the pharmacy for now. Maybe get a snack because I'm like starving. Tomorrow I plan on doing the monkey forest, y'all. That's the last thing that I have left to do in Ubud. Then I'll be heading to Canggu tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for part 2 of this vlog. Quick fit check real quick. Okay, we just got the crop top going on from Zara. Shorts is from Target, and my Nike socks. So let's go.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, y'all. People probably think I show up, ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying out the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Allen, turn any given time. Personal problems till we're talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying.